Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kinga and I'm a small business owner with the help of my garden. Today I'm here to share my garden. So let's go. These are my beans. I have harvested once. Coriander, I've just harvested twice and they are the leftover. And the gingers are growing well now. And that are the beans which I have grown first time. The first batch of the beans I have harvested twice from this pot. I've grown chilies also. I couldn't clean up my garden because I was a bit busy traveling up and down at my parents' house, see my beans. I've told that these are the first batch of my beans. Because of that, they are now ending up their life and they are getting mature and I can collect this for the next seed. These are my tomatoes which I have propagated myself from the seed, grown from the seed, and they are growing well. And these are my last year's chilies. I can see that chilies, and these are my newly growing chilies, growing up now. See, almost ready to harvest now. These are my third batch. They're growing well, but I can't see any flowers right now. They are growing well. And with that, these are my kitchen gardens. So I came back to the back side to show my gardens. While I was shooting my gardens, I remember a word my mom used to say when I was age 6, no, 7, no, that is also underage. When I was, it might be 11 or 12 age, my mom used to say, you used to go at the school to learn education from the teachers. Now, each time when I reach the home or at early morning, my mom used to say, you have to learn from me some educations from my side. So she used to give me the size of same like sickle and tools to help her in the garden. I used to say that it is very difficult for me to do work, but my mom used to say that the education that your teacher taught is also very important in your life. You should study well, but the study which I am teaching you also I have to learn. So as elder sisters, I am the only one which mom can tell, and only a person which where mom can get help. So I couldn't say but anything, but I used to get really angry because I was getting so tired of doing field work and all my and I used to do work with her, but I couldn't see any result while I was doing the work with her. But now I could see the result after only I can do some work by myself, and I'm feeling proud that my mom has given me so many educations or knowledge which is very useful to my life. And these are my dolies which I have grown from the seeds and transplanted here, so they're growing well. My asparagus I've harvested twice, and this is the third time I'm harvesting. these are my potatoes. Yes, my mom has given me so much educations and knowledge which I can help myself and which I can serve myself a very healthy things myself. This strawberry see new plant is coming here at my place. It's rainy out. No, rain is coming now. And beans out here. And little fingers are growing up. And see another batch of my chili. This is another new batch. And see. And can you see the chilies? I have just put as done yesterday, and yeah, now it's a rainy day. I've given the water when I put them first yesterday. I think today I should not give water. Have to give water because it's raining now. So in this pot, this is only this much. And this is growing in my pot, flower pot. See strawberries. My God, this time we have harvested so many times, and again they are going. So many strawberries out here. I don't know what happens to this. Just trying. And see the flowers out here. This garden is blooming so well. It's been almost 3 to 4 months now. My God. Oh, I forgot to share. I extended my gardens from last time I was having from. Can you see this tree? This planted tree just like this to that side. Only from this side I was having my garden, and with the help of my husband, I extended from this part. And if I can, I will try to extend with the flowers. If not, I used to do my kitchen gardens out here. So friends, how are you all? Hope you all doing well. Purple, pink, and red. Have you seen this seed of this flower? This black dot. I've just grown from this seed, all these flowers. And these are my flowers. baby flowers. Which I used to grow from the cuttings and all. I'm doing this experiment. I've seen a video which is keeping just like this and giving flower a plant from here. I don't know. Doesn't matter if I fail or pass, but it's just an experiment. Gardenia flowers. Spider plant. Trees. Okay, here this part they're growing so well. All this bleeding heart, white and red mixed one. Can you see this carnation, red and pink, and these bleeding hearts are growing so well. This is a small mini jasmine, and this they are growing so well. I can See, this pet is going well. I've shown these flowers so many times and they're growing so well. This jasmine is growing and so many babies are coming up. So friends, thank you so much for staying to the end. I'm ending my videos here. Hope you have all enjoyed a lot. And please subscribe my channel. Give me some love. Bye.